Hey DIY enthusiasts! Today, I'm going to show you how to make a coffee facial scrub for radiant skin. Coffee scrubs are amazing for exfoliating, brightening, and tightening the skin. Plus, they smell incredible. Alright, let's dive into the ingredients you'll need. First, grab a quarter cup of ground coffee. Make sure it's finely ground. Next, you'll need a quarter cup of brown sugar. This adds an extra exfoliating boost. Now get 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. It's super moisturizing and great for your skin. Finally, grab 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is a natural antibacterial and helps to soothe the skin. Got everything? Great! Let's mix it all together. Start by combining the coffee and brown sugar in a bowl. Give it a good stir. Now, add the coconut oil. It might be a bit solid, so you can microwave it for a few seconds to soften it up. Lastly, add the honey. Mix everything until it forms a nice, thick paste. Now, let's talk about how to use your coffee scrub. First, make sure your face is clean and slightly damp. Take a small amount of the scrub and gently massage it onto your face in circular motions. Be careful around the delicate eye area. Leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then rinse it off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. You'll notice your skin feels incredibly smooth and refreshed. Use this scrub once or twice a week for the best results. So that's it, an easy homemade coffee facial scrub that'll leave your skin glowing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome DIY skincare recipes. Thanks for watching and happy scrubbing!